How's it going, guys? And in this video we're going to be getting some rubber bar grips installed on these handlebars. If you try to do this alone, it's going to be a bit of a pain when you get to about that point and you can't shove it on anymore because of the friction between the rubber and the bars. So the trick with this is basically taking some rubbing alcohol, buy it from wherever you'd like, and you don't need a whole lot, so you can just start with just a dab on your finger. And we're going to lube up that as well as the inside of our grip, and then this guy can just slip right on as far as you can push it. And now you've got a solid bar grip, and that rubbing alcohol will evaporate over time, which is going to be beautiful. And yeah, so that is how easy it is with the magic of alcohol. Alcohol solves many problems in this world, so take care, guys, and hope this helps.